What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Before we get into today's craziness, I want to shout out.
There's a story about my little homie. Straight thug, a little bad little motherfucker. You gotta love him, you can catch him on the east side, towing it up, sliding down on the enemy, blowing it up. Gang shit, yeah, we bang shit, leave a nigga hanging. Niggas say they really outside, but why we hanging? Gang shit, bang shit. So we hopped out, ditched the car, started running, got them niggas scared, getting low, we all on it, yeah, my niggas really animals, eating shit up like cannibals, we shooting through your section, my young niggas ain't amateurs, we in your back street, nigga, like 2 deep, got them niggas looking stuck like who's he, we them niggas with the chopper, if you wanna set a fire, have a pussy nigga running like Ricky.
So yeah, today we got Tr3yway6K from Hoover, you know, the broad day shooter, bouncer with the Ruger. Yeah, so bro was just on live, you know, talking about some crazy stories he had while he was in the county. You see me? And different ops he squabbled with and shit, and a whole other crazy shit he was talking about. So y'all gotta watch the full video to get the crazy story. So y'all just watch to the end and enjoy.
Tell Sway stop playing with the kid. I was just in the studio. We were supposed to go crazy. Tell DJ more about the hood. Hell no. I'm a well-known shooter, which is known for popular guns. Hey, y'all see Tr3yway out here making niggas famous though? Tr3yway out here getting niggas no jumper interviews, nigga. Wait. On the dead homies. The first little clip I seen is quote unquote people knew me before the rap. Bro, you've been rapping for like 6, 7 years, 8 years. Dead homies. Oh, niggas been rapping way before the kid. I do have an advance. Why would I not get an advance? My advance is on the way. Give me a couple of days, not weeks, not months. Give me a couple of days. You gonna see like, oh yeah, he's a guy. Come on. Do you be for Rap for the Plug? Why the fuck would I be for Rap for the Plug? Dead homies, they always ask me something like, come on. OTM, I don't be for OTM. OTM, they just be having a lot of slick shit to say. I ain't gonna lie. They cool though. It's like I feel how niggas run LA. They ain't catching no cases. Ain't cracking on nothing. Ain't boosting no murder. Nothing to do with LA. But they run into motherfuckers. If y'all gotta wear like the Melrose area, it's a cap. I gotta wear like the Melrose area or something. You said what? Niggas gotta run Melrose. He said, did you listen to Nipsey? To be honest, hell yeah. Nipsey hard. It's not like I just bang Nipsey on the regular, but nigga burning my ace chunked up. Ace shit strolling with my window down. Chunk it up to the 7. Hit your 10. That's a banger. So, mama wanna know why I'm banging. She told me I'ma lose my life. Well, I'm a criminal. I'ma do it right. Before I run from a nigga, I'ma lose the fight. I gotta hustle. Mama said it's cold outside. When it's low outside, couple niggas selling dope outside. I could never ever be from no other hood. I don't give a fuck. Burning my 3 chunked up. Hey shit, rolling with my window down. Chucking up the 7. I hit your 10. I got what happened? They can go somewhere? He said, no way you niggas asking who catches cases from the stick team. I said, bro, okay, first of all, I'm not talking about the stink team. We were just talking about OTM. I said they're not catching cases, not boosting no murder rate, not doing nothing to contribute to LA. So how the fuck do they run LA? Right? Am I right or am I wrong? We're not talking about no fucking stink tank. We're talking about OTN. We're talking about the upcoming. We're talking about the niggas I'm my age bracket. Yeah. Y'all know I don't got no fucking no filter. I'm not one of them guys who gonna hide it. It's just like shit. They probably run y'all parts. A lot of y'all from different parts of LA and shit. I see me in Hoover. Viral. Dead homies. I don't even run LA. I don't run LA. Dead homies, because there's some niggas out here. Hell no, I don't run LA. Crazy as a motherfucker, you say I run that shit. Yeah, I'm cool with Nino and Big Sad. I'm not no rap distance. Like, y'all think just because somebody I'm cool with beef with some niggas, like, I could see if it was like my hood beef with these niggas. Some people don't fucking rap the club. Don't know rap the club. So I beef with them. Ralph the Plug, I'm a dead homie. Ralph the Plug send money to some of my homies in the pen. On God, Ralph the Plug and some of my homies, good people. So it's like, what got people good for? Ralph the Plug, a real nigga. Ralph the Plug, 4 cases. Ralph the Plug, fucking tribute to this shit. Ralph the Plug, put on that like, fuck, I'm gonna be for good for. Crazy. Nobody runs LA. It's a gang of niggas.
Nobody runs LA. Last nigga said he ran LA. She was having a cut. Alright. Alright. Don't get to them and put things on that shit, right?
Push-ups, come on, get the program. Nah, bro, I really need to start my push-ups though. I don't bark you like that. She always keep like 2 shoulders, 3 shoulders. You stop that leg, bro. Yeah, you're too small.
This nigga retarded.
Shit.
Hey, baby.
Huh? You said what? Oh, you said the line? You be fucked up.
Oh, God. She only take 2 perks in the line and be like this.
I like look, if I was you, I'd bust that motherfucker down.
She says we're more like that.
Oh, yeah?
I'll be like, I want to
with no holes and shit.
Oh, I'll be like,
You gotta flex up on the music.
when you want to sell that shit back,
So you gotta flex up on it. Get up in here. What the fuck going on? Big juice, big perks, big Cardi, man. Is that, hey bro, you know Rael? That's my big sister. Oh, crazy. Oh, crazy. Slap, bro, where you at? They said Tr3yway, tell Lady Duck she fired. It's still my nigga Death Wish stuff. The last one. Still with my cousin, man. Can't get me. Can't get me. Come get some perks and some lean from us, man. From the dead homie. Oh.
hear this nigga.
I made that possible. I kicked down that door because
they put him on no jumper. They put anybody.
Nah, they put him on no jumper because nigga that situation. Head homie. You only going on there just like your ops marching out. Dead homie. And Goo try to make it seem like he like self.
You know, everybody was talking shit. Goo, he funny. Goo funny with it. He probably like, so what happened? Why was it?
Why were we looking like in the car? Because I banged Goo on a dead homie. I tried to sock Goo. Came over, open handed Goo. You know, boom, I get back to the underneath the car, I get back to her.
That's sad. Cause you know, no jumper for that.
Hell no. Making these careers out here. That's why J Bus trying to come for me with bitch ass. Niggas need their careers kicked off. For real, they need their careers kicked off.
You talking big up.
Look, I ain't ducking no fades. Dead homies. You niggas is quote unquote public figures, celebrities now. Dead homies tell Adam run that, set that shit up. Tr3yway. Tell him.
He like, well, I guess some dick they gotta chase around.
Dead homies.
It was her. Try a little interview. They get paid for that shit.
I'm finna go get a fat ass Superman tattoo on my chest, but with the H in it, Super Hoover. Probably get my shit colored in orange and all that. With that Tr3yway6K, nigga, true story, blood. Certified stuff. Damn, bitch, girl, what you want? My cousin. My cousin. He said we were on San Bernardino. We were in San Bernardino. Dead homie, super cream. We gonna get that instantly smacked up. They gonna be like Tr3yway6K, the motherfucking oh boy. Alright. The motherfucking landlord, bitch. Think boy, what's the deal? What you got going, man? Still my nigga wild card though, cuz. Heard you was programmed up in the county and all that, cuz. I'm like, ooh, my boy on that. FC. Ooh. Yeah, homies. I'm like, oh, my boy on that FC. Programmed up. Way shy squabbling. What the fuck going on, man? So tell us a story. Alright, so more of the story. I'm gonna tell you this last time I just went to the county. More of the story. Instantly, dead homies. Instantly, you know who I am. Dead homies, they know who I am. So, more of the story. I go 70. I get arrested in Harlem. I go to jail in Harlem for allegedly. They said had a gun in the Harlems with my hoodie on. So, went to jail. Supposedly, allegedly. So, more of the story. We go there. Boom. The Harlem police is so nice. I'm West Side Hoover. Boom. They let me go live on the shit. It's dead homies. On West Side Hoover. I go live. Boom. I get to call people. Nigga, I'm gonna explain the whole shit on West Hoover. Everybody did me file and everything. So, boom. I give a bitch some money to bail me out on the shit. Boom. Dead homie. So, boom. I get to 77. I'm calling. I'm thinking I'm finna get out. No. Dead homies. I'm holding. Boom. They send me to the little homie. I get in that motherfucker. I see Boogie, the rapper nigga, he be rapping too. My nigga Boogie from the 8. Yeah, he got out. I see my nigga Boogie from the 8. Boom, he pop his head up off his bunk. Like, what's the deal, my nigga Tr3yway? Boom. I'm like, oh, dead homies. I hope it's all type of Mexicans and blacks. Everybody sleep though. Dead homies, like, what's the deal, my nigga? I hope I get to go Instantly go talking to Groove. Then homie, after that, Hoover, everybody pop up their head. Boom, Mexicans and all that. Like, what's the deal with my nigga Tr3yway? What's the deal? I'm like, West Side Hoover, like, what's the deal? Boom. Yeah, homie. After that, we in 77. We thugging on West Side Hoover. What they say? Yeah, they crazy. Look, we in 77. We thugging. Damn homie. Boom, I'm up in there thugging with my boy Boogie. Thugging with a nigga from Bonnie. I'm thugging with nigga from some Mexican niggas from 18, Mexican niggas from everywhere. Damn homies, we thugging. We sitting up in there for like a day or two. Boom. After that, damn homie, it's time to go to court. We go to court. West Side Hoover. After that, we go back to I go to court. Damn homie, I go to court with Damo from Bonnie. I go to court. Nigga like 4 Brim niggas. Dirty D from Brims, E Brady from Brims, nigga, Reactive from Brims, and Hoover. Nigga go to court with them niggas, boom. We get in a little altercation, boom. After that, boom, we didn't end up squabbling up or nothing, no, boom. So then after that, boom, they transfer us to IRC. Yeah, homie, we get the IRC. Oh, ass off, I see all type of niggas. Oh, ass over. I'm in the back on the dead homie. Boom, in the little cages or whatever. On the dead homies, nigga. I see the nigga Baby Snake from 40s. I see the nigga Mayhem from Miller. I see the nigga I see Baby Rich's baby daddy. I see and I see like older nigga East Coast. I see like 2 niggas 5'7". Boom. So the dead homies. I hope I instantly get up on that with a boom. The Brams see what I'm on, they come, follow pursuit. Dead homies like, yeah, homies like on Brams, on Bloods and anything. Dead homies, boom. 30 D get out there, squabbling nigga from Menlo, boom. Dead homies, peace, groove up, drop them and all that shit. I'm like, ooh, dead homies. After that, I get out there with the nigga 40. With the nigga 40, nigga Baby Snake. Dead homies, so Hoover get the blender and groove. Hoover, he go down. Dead homies, after that, I tell the nigga, cause my adrenaline rushing on West Side Hoover, on the dead homies. So I'm telling them like, come on, dead homies. After that, swap the nigga from Menlo. Dead homies, whip him down. He get the fall and all the shit. Boom. After that, it's Baby Rich's baby daddy turn. On the dead homie. So remind you, yeah, the West Side Hoover. Remind you, I'm with all brims and shit on the dead homies on Hoover. So look, that's on Tr3yway. I get up in there with Gould. I get the blender and cup. Dead homies, he get the fall and all the shit. So that's on Hoover. I'm doing Gould foul. I swear to God, like, I'm picking Gould up. I got blender Gould, boom. He a fall, dead homie, picking Gould up. Hoover get the piece and Gould up again, boom. That's what Brim nigga was like, all right, blood, nah, blood, like, you good, blood. I'm like, yeah, because Bruce tried to do some weird ass, like, he was a blood, like, I don't know how to explain it, like, I don't be on no animated ass shit. I be trying to keep the player in the camera. And damn, I'm on commentary. He like, where you from, bro? You know what I'm saying? His name or whatever. Oh, I'm gonna shake your hand, bro. We gonna get in. Just like that. Oh, he tried to tell me some shit like, Bruce not gonna shake my hand. Or, oh, like, I'm trying to piece you. I'm like, I'm damn, I'm trying to get in with you. Come on. Oh, go back there, blend it, groove up instantly. I get him the coldest. Damn, your animations.
Yeah.
Oh, Baby Rich's baby daddy get done. Go. Dead Hobie. He look at me. Dead Hobie with the little green eyes and all that. I don't even know. West Side Hoover, I don't even man, I don't even know. West Side Hoover finna get out. Oh, the dead Hobie. Shooter, you know how that shit go, man. RC on. You said what you did?
I said, baby.
She said, baby. Yeah, man, a dead homie. All right, let me get to these juvenile hall stories. Who ain't no famous, ain't no viral niggas that y'all know though. So it's like, I don't know. Dead homie, juvenile hall go like this. Don't you comment on here about that bitch. Why you say that? Shit out of here. But look, more of the story. Juvenile hall, dead homie. Who? I'm gonna say I'm a KL money, tugging, Tr3yway. Boom. I'm with the nigga what's his name? He used to be from the same, not from the Santa Monica, nigga Nina Bear. So we thugging up in there. West Side Hoover, we sitting down, boom. All type of that from here. I'm up in there with J Bird. No. Nina Bear from 5'9". I'm up there. J Bird, nigga Andor, all type of niggas. Boom, they sitting up in there. They gang thick. They're homies. Boom. I see the nigga Thirsty-O up in there. I see Thirsty-O coming to the unit. I'm like, never. On West Side Hoover. You know, Goo like a little fire on that nigga. So Hoover, I get up on Goo. Dead homie, I had to make 5'9". Say something like Pop. Keep saying like a Hoover like antagonize Goo so he could do it. I don't know. Hoover nigga antagonize Goo. What's the deal? So nigga antagonize Goo, whatever. Dead homie, boom. Google bounce up like nigga stop saying that. Like nigga stop no, first you were saying napkins. But we like man, I'm not even from neighborhood, so he like you keep saying whatever boom. So we said clock. Boom, he bounce out like hood stop saying I'm like, yeah, boom, he got animated, gets popping in front of stuff. I'm like, yeah, boom. Yeah, homie. We would sit down over there, we ain't get to squabble up. I'm hoping they keep moving this room, all that shit for a little argument down. Next one will come out, instantly get up on boom, I sit next to you and all that. Boom. They're homies. They're from sitting there boom, like, yeah, so Miss Tillis, you know, like what time it is? Is it 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock yet? Boom. He said some other shit. I'm like, damn homie, stop talking to me. Bounce up. Boom. Get up on go. Bust his heads, all the shit. Bust his head, all the shit. Damn. I'm like, who got the little yeah, who got that like a big ass little permanent knot cut right there. I swear to God. Bust bullshit. Easy.
She's gonna go. I mean, she just like I just love her. She
Fucking shit. It's like if you from LA though and you went to juvenile halls, you a regular nigga and all that. I did 3 years on a dead homie. It's like no way you can't not know me on West Over. From the squabbles, nigga, the disrespected staff, the nigga slapping nigga spitting on that. It's like Hoover, dead homie, running around the campus, nigga. Hoover, nigga, and I had the bitches in juvenile halls. You know I'm a canister class thugging, bitch. Oh yeah, Pac-Man, my boy. He said, oh, about RLP? We going. All right. Pac-Man, get on here and tell some RLP stories, dude. Berkey. Dead homies, my nigga Pac-Man. Look, this my boy on the dead homie. Me and Goon squabble up and all that. Dead homie. Huh? Me and Goose squabble, me and my nigga Pac-Man. I'm just a hothead on West Side Hole, fool. Like, I ain't gonna lie, jail is hard for me because I would really get lost on it. Dead homies, like lost in the sauce. Because it's nothing like, you got all hands on West Side Hole. And I'm like kind of a fighter, so I'll be programming. I did get lost in that motherfucker, lost in the sauce. He said, where was you at LP? I don't know, fool. I went to LP like my first, second time. I don't even remember what unit. I don't even know no units in LP. I ain't gonna lie. I was in LP with some niggas though. Ops. I was up in jail when they closed that shit down. Papa Fish, dead homie, you gotta get up over here and tell these niggas some stories, bro. Dead homie, I done been to San Bernardino juvenile halls and all that. San Bernardino and dead homie. Every time I go to jump, turning it up on West Side Hoover. And on Tr3yway6K Hoover, nigga, I'm running the blacks. Juvenile halls, I ran all the blacks. Dead homie. Any county, any dorm, any county, any fucking juvenile halls. I run the blacks on West Side Hoover. Ops and all that. The ops just be mad. Hoover, I get the popping as soon as they come in here. Yeah, I run shit. Damn. Hoover, staff give me good food and all that. I'm gonna be mad. Good favoritism in this motherfucker. On figure out.
Yeah, y'all remember to tap in with us on the gram at Hood of LA and tap in with us for promos. So any artist in LA that wants their music promoted, tap in with us.